Peggy 3.
Hi, my name is Grace and I'm a European monster girl. I never thought about how a video was made before, and it's been really interesting to see how it all works. I was moving around and I could see myself on the TV. It didn't look anything like me, but every move that I made was the same movement on the TV. This is actually one of the craziest things I've done. I've never experienced anything like this before. Hello MXGP players, I hope you enjoy the game. The game will be on Xbox 360, PS3, PS Vita and PC. Oh, I forgot to mention, the game will be out in March 2014.